Revolutionize your current affairs preparation with the VisionIAS digital current affairs platform. This all-in-one platform ensures smarter, faster and more effective current affairs preparation. With VisionIAS Digital Current Affairs Premium, you get visual intelligence. Get AI-powered answers to your current affairs queries, instant and tailored to the syllabus. Daily answer writing. Refine your mains preparation with expert feedback on structured answers. Quick notes and highlights. Simplify note-taking and create personalized revision materials for quick access. Free features include daily news summaries, curated from trusted sources like The Hindu and Indian Express to save you hours, downloadable PDFs. Keep resources organized for easy revision. Daily quizzes. Test yourself with MCQs that track your progress. Student dashboard. Monitor performance and stay on track with your goals. From reading and testing to revision, VisionIAS Digital Current Affairs is your one-stop solution for mastering current events. Visit our website today and transform your preparation journey.